Natalie Attired. It's my second one. My first one was very good, so I'm excited to see what is in this bundle. And let's just get started. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. And the noise. Let's see, what can I tell you about Natalie Attired? They have actually two different types of collections that you can request. And mine is the classic. So my styling fee is $20, free shipping, and the $20 is applied to anything that I purchase, these pretty colors. And shipping is always free. And then they have a I think they call it a limited collection, where you get, you pay $72 plus you pay $10 shipping. You get 3 or 4 items valued up to $150, I believe. Check their website. And so you if you keep the whole thing, you paid $82 for it. If you, I think you can exchange sizes and maybe return part of it and keep part of it, but I'm not sure exactly how that works. So check their website if you're interested in that. But let's get started. Oh, this is cute. Oh, this is so me. Oh yes, love it. Look at the color. Okay, it's not fall, but this girl will wear this layered in fall, winter. I like the little ruching on this side. I hope it fits. Well, and then of course price. And it's a soft, kind of like a blend, cotton blend. That's what it feels like. Okay, this next one, oh, I don't know about this print. Although I'm opening up, oh, it's a dress. Okay, this looks like a spring dress. We're going into fall, so I'm not real excited about that. And it depends on the price. If the price reflects receiving more of a spring color in the fall, then yeah, I'm all for it. Who doesn't like a good deal? Oh, this is very pretty. Very pretty. So it looks like it's got a belt. Is it loose? Yeah, it's loose. Is it a faux wrap? Yes. Okay, well, we'll try it on. Honestly, I'm not excited about that. First of all, I don't work outside the home. We're not going anywhere to dress up. And I was looking forward to fall clothes. So, but you know, it's still fun. Okay, this is cute. Is that would that be considered a real wrap? Yeah, because it's loose. Ooh. But look at how pretty that is. I think I like the strap across the V-neck. Looks like you're gonna have to wear a cami underneath it, but very, very pretty. It's very spring, so the price has to reflect it for me to be interested in keeping it at this, where we are in our season. Oh, now I saw this on who did I see? I can't remember who I saw this on. This is, okay. All right, let me show you. With these funky, I don't know. And I don't like this baby blue. It's real stretchy, it's lightweight, it's like a real lightweight thermal, and then this is more of a cotton material is what it feels like. Ugh. I know when I saw it on I can't what I see that on. When I saw that and I saw her wear it, I was like, what? I don't know. Watch. I will probably end up loving it. Okay, jeans are always interesting. Royalty for me. Okay, black. I do have a pair of black denim. Are they, I don't know if they're straight, they kind of look like straight legs, but we'll see. Just your basic, nothing special, so the price has to reflect that. Also, with Natalie Attired, you get a discount you don't have to keep all 5 items, which is nice. If you keep 1 item, you get your $20 styling fee. Everybody does that. 3 to 4 items, you get 20% off. Keep all 5, you get 30% off. That's really nice. And if you guys use my referral link, I can receive a $25 credit. So that's really nice. Okay, first thought, the only thing I'm really excited about is this pink top. Everything else is just so, and this is okay, but the price has to reflect it. So we'll see. You never know. So let's get to the try on. Okay, let's talk about this top. Love the color, love it. Like the concept of it. I like the ruching on the side. It's just a nice, easy to wear. Throw it on, pair of jeans, pair of shorts, whatever, and it'll work. The length is great. It has these kind of flutter sleeves, which I'm not a big fan of these type of sleeves, although I have a lot of shirts with them. So it just kind of depends on the shirt. It has just this rounded neckline. It's you know, I like it. I'm not in love with it, but I like it. All right, let's talk about these jeans. Oh my gosh. They sized me up. I'm normally a 6, a very, very squeeze in size 6, so it was probably smart that they did that. They sized me up to an 8, and I could barely get them on. So I think they probably run a little small. They have a tummy control. When I saw the tag, I was excited about the tummy control. So it's got some kind of tummy panel. Oh, these are flat. That's nice. I like that. They are black. They have pockets in the back. They are the skinnies. Love the length on these. All right, here's the thing with these. I had high hopes. I mean, I had to struggle to get them on, and I think they actually look pretty good. They're not too thick, but this waistband is killing me. Oh my God, it hurts. I can barely breathe. The waistband is so tight. Why would you make a tummy control? If somebody needs tummy control, they probably have some fluff up here, more than likely. So it is pushing all that little bit of fluff that I have. It's not as bad as some of my jeans, so that's a good thing. But you can see where it's just kind of pushing that belly up and out, and it's painful. That's I have to deal with the belly thing because I'm not watching my diet. So, but they are so tight in the waist, feels like somebody is holding me, like squeezing me like that. So I'm gonna leave them on for the other tops and see if that changes. So let's try another top. First of all, I'm not sure that my stylist read my paperwork correctly because she's sending me mediums in shirts. Very, very, very rarely do I ever wear a medium unless it's like real fitted. So okay, I do not like this. I mean, it's a dolman sleeve. Here's the print. I mean, it might be for somebody, but that's just not for this girl. It just doesn't feel good. I don't feel good in it. It's long. I mean, you could do a front tuck. I mean, it kind of feels like pajamas. That's what it feels like. Something I would put on at night. I mean, the concept of it could be really cute. This part is looser. So yeah, no. All right, let's move on. Okay, this top is actually a small. The other two are mediums. This is really cute. I like the style of this top a lot because it's fitted, it's a great length. The bad part is you have to wear a cami, so I kind of feel kind of confined, especially for a short sleeve top that I would wear this in the spring. I probably wouldn't layer it. got the cap sleeves. I mean, I like it. I like it a lot. But look at the placement of the flower. That's not good placement. Oh, it is cute though. I really like it. Okay, one item left, and that is the dress. Okay, let's start off with all the positives, and there are a lot of positives about this dress. First of all, the shape is what I like. It's like a fit and flare, so it is kind of flowy here. I keep thinking that I would like to have some pockets in it. It's a great length. Love the length of the sleeves, 3/4. It is a, I guess that's a faux, I guess that's a true wrap. I don't know. But there's no elastic at the waist, which I appreciate. There is this tie. I like to tie them to the side. Yes, it goes all the way around. The waist seems to be a little bit high, but on this dress, it really works. So the color is beautiful. This is a great color for me. But what season are we in? This is spring. Doesn't this scream spring? Yay! This is a spring dress to me. So it's not lined, but overall it's a really cute dress, and this is a perfect style for me. So that is, I love, of course, you know, he should have already came in for his second cup of morning coffee. I thought he'd already been here. Okay, so let me change back into my comfortable clothes, and we'll do a real quick wrap up, and while my husband makes some noise in the kitchen and gets a second cup of coffee. He's over there just standing. I'll be back. Okay, I should have read the note first. I didn't. I just got excited to try everything on. I received a note from my stylist. Looks like it's handwritten. It says, "Hi Barbara, I chose a pair of pants to transition you into fall," and I very much appreciate that. The 2 short sleeve tops will look cute with a denim jacket or cardi and the black pants. Enjoy, Renee. Okay, well, Renee, sorry, it doesn't feel like a transition to me. It doesn't feel like, it feels like a spring box or a summer box. That's what it feels like to me. But let's go over a couple things. The dress, Mike walked in, you guys heard him. When I turned the camera off, he said, he gave me a big hug. He said, I need to take you on vacation where you can wear that dress. It is really nice. It's $49. But I mean, it would be really cute on vacation actually. But the longer I had it on, it was so warm. Like, it's not lined or anything, but it is like, I couldn't wait to get it off. It was so warm. What is it made of? Oh, it's hand wash. Nope. Forget it. It's a size medium. I can't read these tags. I think it says 95% polyester, 5% spandex. I think is what that says. So it was just hot, like it was hot. So wearing this in a warm climate, it would probably be too warm for me anyways. Okay, so the jeans. They have this cute tag on here. These are $49. And it says perfect tummy control. Well, what they don't tell you is that they suck in your gut, your belly, your waistline, to where it is like doing some damage to your insides. Yeah, it just, no, they didn't stretch. I wish the waist would have fit. These could have been a keeper. And she had to size up in these, so she did size up in them, so maybe they run small. So those are no, and those are both $49. Okay, this top she sent me in a small. I like this a lot, but I don't want to pay it's $42. I don't want to pay $42 as we're going into fall, because you know I won't wear it. I'll wear fall clothes. This to me is for spring, summer, And actually in summer it would be too warm for me because you have to wear a cami underneath it. But it's cute. The flower location, that really, I mean, so no, that's a no. Okay, this pink top, this could have been a keeper. She sent me a medium. I thought it felt kind of big. Well, because it's a medium. I don't wear a medium, I wear a small. I wear a medium in dress, and she did send me a medium in the dress. All right, for me, this is just ugly. I do not, this $42. All the tops are $42. The jeans and the dress are $49. This looks like pajamas, which if you just want to lounge around at home, this will actually be perfect for that. It's just the color, I don't like this baby blue. I just don't get it. It's a medium, it's too big. It looked, I don't know. I just don't get it. But it does look, but it'll be great for lounging around the house. Put a pair of sweats on. It'd be perfect, actually. It would be perfect for that. So that's it. That's my Natalie Attired. I'm not going to keep anything. I'm going to lose my $20 styling fee, and that hurts. It does. I would consider keeping this, but then I have to pay another $22, and it's right now it's not worth $42 to me because we're going in the fall. So I'm just gonna return them all. I'm very disappointed. I know a lot of you guys will probably ask me what I'm wearing. This top is Daniel Rain with the lace, the little cap sleeve. This is a size small. I wear it with my jeans. I don't know which jeans these are. I've got so many denim. I think these are from White House Black Market. And that's it. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.